Thanks so much for joining me. So let's cut straight to the chase. Do you have lots of napkins? You've collected them, all different ones, or you've done swaps, you've had them gifted, and you love napkins, you love the idea of napkins, but you're not very good at decoupaging. I'm not. You know, I get in a gluey mess, I end up ripping it, and it puts me off using them because, you know, I know it's going to make a mess, and then I've got to wait for it to dry, and I end up in a big sticky gooey mess. Well, I've got a solution for you, how you can use up any kind of napkin, okay, really easily, and turn them into journal pages for your junk journals or journals. And I've got a secret hack. It's quite clever. Okay, so here's an example. I made a journal page. Okay, a full journal page. There's no ripping. I haven't had to wait for it to dry. I've got no tearing in my napkin. I've got a few bubbles and lines, but that doesn't bother me. It adds texture. And what are the other possibilities for this? Lots of possibilities to use up our hoards of napkins. I've got loads and I'm going to be using this tip. So let me show you. Here is my secret hack. Okay, sticker paper. So this is full sheet sticker paper. Now it's not overly expensive. Okay, if you look around you can get it cheap on Amazon. It doesn't matter about the quality. It doesn't matter about the weight. It is printer. I have bought printable, so I can put it through my printer as well. So this is A4. Now you can either leave it plain white, or I have taken one and I have printed coffee dye on the back. So if you want the inside of your journal page to have a print, you can print on it. Okay, so you'd run it through your printer if you so desire, and then we're going to use the other side. Okay, so here's what you do. So we're just going to get a sheet. Super simple. You get your napkin. Obviously you need to remove it from the backing layers. Some napkins have 2 layers, some have 3. Sometimes it can be tricky, sometimes they come off dead easy. It's just a case of persevering. Me and Patience are not close relatives, and so I'll pause the video if I start and lose my patience. So you remove those. Okay, now if you're a big craft hoarder, you can save this background paper, you can stamp on it, you can make your own papers with it, you can crunch it up and use matte medium and add it to a journal cover for leather effect. It is very useful. Okay, so I do save some of mine, not all of them, because I can always get more. Okay, so you've removed that. So what you want to do is you want to get your sticker sheet and you want to start and pull the backing away. Okay, but you only want to pull it away a little bit, maybe ½ an inch to an inch. Try and get it in a straight line, or as straight as you can, using the edges as a guide, and then fold your backing sheet and give it a crease. So you've only got a small amount of sticky showing. You want it kind of even, because you want, as you're pulling the sticker off, you want it to be even. Okay, then what you do is you get your napkin. Don't start sticking it there. Okay, line it up on the non-sticky end so that you're getting your napkin kind of straight. Okay, so all right, and then pull it fairly tight. Okay, and pat it down onto the part that you've taken the backing off. Okay, it's so easy. I don't know why I didn't think of it sooner. Okay, like so. Then you want to just lift it up and you want to start and pull it back. So it's a little bit like doing vinyl. So I find it easier if I turn it into portrait, like so. Okay, and start pulling the back in and push at the same time. Okay, and I start and I push in the middle. Okay, I hope I'm in shot. So I'm in the middle and then I swipe across. Lift it up, pull it back a bit. Okay, push to the middle and then swipe across. All right, doesn't matter if it's not perfect, if you get wrinkles, because you know when we're using napkins, all of that adds to the look. If you're struggling, put something heavy down, lift it up, push towards the middle and then swipe out. Okay, that's the easiest way to do it. Okay, and be gentle so that you're not tearing it, because the idea here is we're doing it with no mess and no tearing. So if you just be gentle, pull it back some more, add your weight, lift it up, push from the middle, okay, and then gently swipe out. All right, and as you practice, you will just get faster. Okay, and this is a great way to use up those napkins that you've had sat hoarded, thinking what can I do with them without getting in a huge mess. And how lovely are these? You know, if you stick them to this sticker sheet, then you can turn them into journal pages. You can do all sorts with them. Okay, and it's just a way of using them up with less stress and less mess. Look at that, it's almost perfect. I've just folded it over at the corner there, but we're not going to worry. And then obviously all you do is trim it. Okay, trim it to get the excess off, and then you would just treat it like any other journal page. Put it in your trimmer and cut it to size, whatever size you're using. Okay, now you can also very easily create whatever you want with this. Treat it like paper, like any other paper. Turn it into envelopes, turn it into you know, ephemera wallets, pockets. How easy is that? Okay, and now I've got that paper. Now if you wanted, you could seal it with a matte medium, but you know, what's the point? We're doing it in a no mess way, and that now has given me a lovely page. So I can fold it like so and use it as a journal page. Okay, or I can use it in whatever, because we've got a nice paper backing, so it will glue, it will sew. It's absolutely perfect. You could cut it up and layer it on your tags. As I say, make your pockets with it. This is quite sturdy paper. Pockets, envelopes, pouches, absolutely anything. So this is a really, really good way of using up those napkins. So I hope you'll give that a try. It's super easy. You can find this sticker paper on Amazon, eBay, anywhere online. Have a look in your stationery shops. Like I say, it doesn't matter about the weight because you're going to be layering it up. Okay, I would imagine this is approximately, I don't know, about the same weight as general printer paper. So there you go, absolutely perfect. And I reckon I can come up with more ideas with this sticker paper. So if you've got any ideas, leave your ideas in the comments below. Let me know if you're going to give this a try. And thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.